So this is just an extra little step for variables and expressions to see how you're doing with it. This first one is all done for you. So let's see how they did it. So we have n plus 8. So we're going to look up here, and it says n equals 16. So 16 plus 8 is 24. Let's look at our second one, 12 divided by m. m is 2. So we're going to do 12 divided by 2, which equals 6. Our next one, they gave us two letters. So n is 16, m is 2. 16 minus 2 is 14. This next one, remember, a letter and a number next to each other means multiplication. So 2 times n is 16. So 2 times 16 minus 6. Now, this is why we did orders of operations. We're going to do 2 times 16. When we do that, we get 32. And 32 minus 6 is what we're going to do. If you need to go to the side and work that out like this, make sure you are doing that. So your answer is 26. Let's go down to 23. Remember, a letter and a number next to each other means multiplication. So 15 times g. So 15 times 1 over 5. When we have a whole number and we're multiplying it by a fraction, we need to put the whole number over 1. I would suggest cross-canceling at this point so you don't have to do any work later. The number that goes both into 15 and 5 is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Since it's over a 1, that is a whole number answer of 3. Again, we're going to letter and a number next to each other means multiplication. G, 45 times g. Again, g is 1/5. So 45 times 1/5. A whole number when we're multiplying by a fraction needs to be put over 1. We look at the 45 and the 5. 5 can go into both of them. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So we get an answer of 9. This next one, we have 7m plus 8. So 7m means 7 times what m is. So 7 times 2 plus 8. According to orders of operations, we're going to solve our multiplication first. So 7 times 2 is 14. Then we have 14 plus 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We get 22 as our answer. And our last one up here at the top, we have 50g squared. So that means we're going to multiply by g. g is 1/5. And we're going to square our 1/5. So that means we're going to take 1/5 times 1/5. And that gets us 1 over 25. So we have 50. We're going to put it over 1. And we're going to multiply it by 1 over 25. I'm going to cross cancel because I know 25 goes into 25 once. And 25 goes into 50 twice. Our answer is 2. I'm going to let you catch up for just 1 second there. Okay, let us look down at 29. We get, we can look at 27. Colton earned $7 per hour plus $1.50 for each pizza delivered. So they wrote the expression for you right here. It can be used to find the total earnings after 8 hours and D deliveries have been made. How much money will Colton earn after working 15 hours? So we're going to plug 15 in per H. So 7 times 15 plus 150 times, it says making 8 deliveries. So times 8. So what you're going to have to do, you're going to multiply this together. And then you're going to multiply this together. So you have 15 times 7. Which is 105. And we're going to do this. You get 117. Just take your time. Make sure you're using your orders of operations to do this.